Well, while I'm recording videos this morning, let me go ahead and make a quick comment about the discussion boards. I do read all the discussion boards, and as some will note, I have responded or asked other questions and what have you. I don't respond to everything because I really would prefer that there be a free-flowing conversation amongst the students. It's your opportunity to think out loud about some of this stuff. The reason I have you do discussion boards is so that you would, in fact, have to engage with the readings in a specific way and hopefully interact with one another to further a conversation. I've run a report on discussion board participation to this point, and looking at the numbers, there are a number of you, I don't know, half a dozen or more, in some cases, depending on which module, more than that, but several in Module 1 and quite a few more in Module 2, and of course Module 3 is just sort of getting underway, but that have not commented on the discussion boards at all. Now, I leave the due date at the end for a variety of reasons, some of which are simply, well, that's when I do it. I don't grade the quality per se of your comments in the sense that I go through and individually grade each comment, although if you post only nonsense or little tiny comments, that would affect your final grade. But as long as you're adequately participating, that's not even the issue. Pretty much if you do it, you get your credit. If you don't do it, you don't get your credit. I don't normally make this warning, but while I'm thinking about it, I will. I mean, some of you are going to end up losing points up to a letter grade if you don't do the discussion board. The discussion board is worth 10% of the score, which is a letter grade. If you don't answer all the questions and you don't respond to at least two colleagues per discussion board, you're not going to get your credit, or you get diminished credit depending on what you've done. Plus, I would point out that if you're not actively engaged in this process now during the term and you wait until the end of the semester, the end of the term, excuse me, it's not going to do as much good. It's not going to help you prepare for the exam. It's not going to help you think through things that might be relevant to the paper. There is connectivity here. And part of graduate school, while it's not the same online as it is in class, is discussion and thinking out loud, especially interacting with your colleagues. So if you're not doing that, and some of you are doing it quite a bit and doing it quite well, and some of you are doing it not at all, I really would recommend that you make sure you're taking full advantage of all of the aspects of the course and not wait till the last minute. It's true that the grades are backloaded in this class. This is true of graduate school usually, that you get your grades toward the end, but all the work is supposed to be building toward those, that end point. So please take the opportunity that you have. If you have any questions about this, as always, let me know. Thanks. Bye.